More raw chicken. I want more raw chicken. My taste for raw chicken is back. Where is raw chicken? I smell jungle raw chicken. Jungle raw chicken? What is this raw chicken? I have never seen this raw chicken. It's no way. It's raw chicken liver. Raw chicken liver. Ultimate superfood. Jungle raw chicken liver.
Woohoo! Oh my god, malnutrition? No more! What the fuck? That's freaking smooth! That's smooth. Like butter. Holy fuck! Raw chicken liver? Is this good? Damn! That's fucking good. And I ain't joking. That's fucking good. That's some of the best liver I have ever had, bro. So smooth. Kinda reminds me of that duck liver, that French fancy pansy liver, whatever it's called. Fruit de Cross or something like that. Who gives a fuck? Kinda reminds me of that. Raw chicken liver is super good. Like the heart was pretty good also, but the liver, that shit is smooth as hell. Smooth like a butter in a jungle. Jungle raw chicken liver. 10 out of 10. Hell yeah. Eating raw chicken liver in the jungle does not get much better than this. We be feeling good as a motherfucker here, bro. I tell you, get your ass to better environment. Even the raw chickens are better here. Obviously, because the raw chickens live in a better raw chicken environment. Everything's better. Get your ass to the better environment. Raw chicken liver, 10 out of 10. Super of the superfoods. Mega superfood. Except if I get salmon Nutella this time. Maybe 500 times the charm when I get salmon Nutella. This has been Base Science. Subscribe and do something nice for yourself. like eat raw chicken liver in a jungle, in the freaking jungle stream. It's nice. It's super nice. It's mega super nice. Namaste, motherfuckers.